Hello, welcome you all for money and talk on money and entity. Thank you so much. This is Suruchi Hirawat from Mumbai, and thank you all the beautiful people from across the world. I don't know whatever time it is. It's morning here on a Sunday morning for you being here. Thank you so much. So it's a very interesting topic because I was not too sure with the word entity how many people will be here. So I had to learn money to it for people to come. So because we run wherever there's money. Because if it would have been just entity, we all would have been sleeping just like an entity. So when I say money and entity, please unmute. And it's a talk, it's not a class. Let me be very clear. But whatever best I can do to show what is our reservation, the moment the word entity comes, the reservation and receiving from entities. So, what comes to you when I say, hey, money and entity? What is that thought, the feeling that comes to you the moment you hear these words, entities and money and entity? Anybody who would like to go about?
Can I say?
Yeah, please.
Actually, as such, nothing is coming, but I'm just wondering, I'm quite curious to know how can entities solve issues related to money?
Thank you. Rashi, do you go to the doctor if you are ill?
Yes, of course.
How can he solve your problem?
See, with doctors, we know they are qualified and they are practitioners, and it is
Thank you.
awareness which is
That is
there.
what I meant.
Yes,
So
yes.
you go to the person whom you know is capable of dealing with you. So is with the
Absolutely.
entities. See, when entities comprise of everything, the word entity covers you are an entity because you have a name. Your business is an entity. Your house is an entity. People without bodies are entities. Okay, and there are a lot of beings here. So when we talk about money and entity, we are not referring to go to everybody. Like if you have a financial advice for say, will you go to any random person and ask for financial advice, monetary advice, or you will seek out a financial or your accountant or anybody whom you know knows about that subject more than you?
Yes.
It's the same thing. So all the myths that we have, what the entities can do for you and cannot do for you, can you all destroy and uncreate those myths? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine short doesn't that, isn't it? Because when we're talking money and entity, we're not talking about the whole, because spirit kingdom is very big. Just like plant kingdom, we don't know how many different species of plants are there. Animal kingdom, we don't know. So is the spirit world. There'll be good, the bad, the ugly, everything involved in that spirit world, right? But it's upon us because we randomly don't go and ask, hey, somebody help me. If you're doing that, hey, somebody help me, stop it, because you don't know who all you'll be inviting in your space, and you'll blame the entities, poor entities. It's like, hey, you randomly go and party in the beach and ask whoever wants to party, come to my house. Everybody came to your house, and you're now saying that this place is not safe or this place is not good. But when you ask for specific, who have the ability, who have the capability, and who is willing to contribute. See, it's also you have to look
Yeah,
for somebody who's willing to contribute. Because if I ask for contribution and you guys are not, I will be just asking and feel frustrated that nobody's there to help me. So you have to seek out people, whether entities or in body, who are willing to contribute and who are more capable and able than you in that area. Because what you already know. You need a support and assistance for somebody who knows something different than you, that you have not been aware, or something that you're not even looking at. So that is an invitation, and that set of entities you are inviting and asking for contribution. Rashi, does it clear? I think I lost her. Rashi.
also, Surushi, also I get from this call, what if entities are contributing towards our money inflows, like from this call, as you asked in the beginning?
Yes, they are. Are you acknowledging? See, the thing is, anyone, how much
Yes,
hungry are you? All of us are for acknowledgement. Let's be honest. Aren't we hungry for acknowledgement? Don't we want people to see us for what we have done? Don't
Yes.
we want people to say, hey, thank you? I'm leaving aside the money aspect, but when you contribute to people, how much your deep down desire is to be acknowledged, received, and seen by them. So, why so different with the entity if they are contributing to your monetary flow, if they are contributing to your life? Do you take in a moment to say, hey, thank you so much? But you go out, how did they do? Don't go into how did they do. You asked, they may have showed some person in your life, they may have send you some class, they may have sent you some text, they may have sent you some money. Somebody just have come and gifted. So rather than going into a how this happened, or I don't know the specific person, what if you can say, hey, thanks the entire spirit kingdom, thank you so much for your contribution, and I'll have more of it, please. And you move on. Why are you making them either big or smaller than you? What if they're just partners? But how much do you resist partners? That you don't want to do partnership even with entities, conscious beings, because you feel your limelight will be taken away. Or either you're too scared, or you don't want to dominate, or you want to dominate. What is your status quo when it comes to co-creation with your partner, the same way you will co-create with entities also? It will not differ, because that is a basic nature. Mm, ah, is it going? Okay, yes, Neha.
Suruchi, I had a question. Like when you said that don't ask anybody for help, like don't say randomly. But then you're saying right now, ki ask them for help. So how do we differentiate like whom to ask, like whom to ask
Okay,
for?
tell me one thing. If you have a problem, do you go out on the road and scream, help, 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 or you pick up a person whom you know will contribute? You know that. So what are
Right.
you aware of? Who will contribute? Will every entity has the capacity to contribute to you? If I'm a child entity and have no knowledge about business or money, can I be assistance to you? Even if I want to. How many of us call our forefathers, knowing that they have no knowledge of what we are doing? They never had money in their life. Can they, if somebody doesn't have money or ability to create money, can they contribute?
No.
Because they don't have that awareness. It's not that they don't want to, but they are as limiting as you are right now, so they cannot be. One, if I'm limited in this area, I cannot be of your help. So, for example, tell me, if you have two best friends, okay, one, her relationship is superb, she have a way with people, and one who doesn't like people. If you have a people problem, whom would you call? Both are best friends.
People person.
So the same way you ask, hey, all those conscious entity, use the word conscious so that you know they are a nice entities, and ask for their contribution.
Okay.
Not randomly going out and screaming, hey, somebody else me, because somebody, I may be a stoner, I'll say, come help me, and I'll say, okay, you know what, put this in stock. Then you'll blame, because we love that blame game. We've been blaming, and that's, you will only amplify your belief that you cannot trust neither people nor entity, and everybody is there to sabotage you.
Right.
But then the other question is, you have to ask, hey, am I open to receiving? Am I open to asking for contribution? How much in your life do you ask for contribution? Because if you don't, you will not, you may say it, but you will not receive the contribution from entities also.
Okay. Sort of clears.
Thank you. Uh, Anybody else? Anybody has a question?
Yeah, I have a question. So you are considering angels into entity or equivalent to somewhat?
Angels are also part of the spirit world. I am saying entities, it covers everything. I'm talking about the spirit kingdom as whole. I'm not saying banyan tree or apple tree. I'm saying plant kingdom. Similarly, it's a spirit kingdom, which includes angels, demons, nature spirits, your people without bodies, those other energies which doesn't have any name. It includes everything.
Okay, so we are calling angels for our assistance. So that is safe, right?
See, the thing is, I safe, not safe. Are you safe with people, Lena?
Uh, yeah, I'm safe.
Why are you safe?
I'm totally aware what they were doing now.
You're aware of what they. So similarly, why have you a judgment that you're not safe with entities? Won't
Okay.
you have an awareness of that? So everywhere
Yeah.
there's a myth that
Okay.
entities are more powerful than us, and everywhere you have bought that lie, you have sold that lie, or you're living that lie. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate it all, which doesn't allow you to tap into your awareness about entities?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, one pork, all nine short person. Yeah. See, when you defining fairies, what happens is like if you define fairies, and if there are other contributive energies who doesn't have a name but are there to contribute to you, okay, you cannot receive. For example, your house is an entity, but it's not a fairy. It's not okay. It's not an angel. It's an
Yeah.
entity. If it would like to contribute, you will not receive contribution based on your definition.
Okay.
The definition itself is a limitation.
Okay. So wherever I define limiting myself, I destroy and create that.
Yes. And just ask, because you said the beautiful thing you said was, with people I'm safe because I'm aware. So where are you all shutting your awareness when it comes to entities? And where
No.
have you decided it's easy to deal with people and not with entities?
Actually, we saw everything in movies and all about entities and all.
Same thing.
Yes.
That what you see, what you hear, what.
Because I'm very fond of to watch horror films.
So how much do you know about entities that you enjoy watching horror movies?
I'm not aware of it, but I love horror films.
So see, that's the reason. The moment I asked, you said I'm not aware of. What if you can expand your awareness? Because see, when we do any kind of entity work, sure, your awareness is going to expand. Sure,
Okay.
your awareness is going to expand. And you cannot play pathetic. With people, we can still fake pathetic. With
Yeah.
entities, you cannot fake pathetic. That's the beauty. Why? Because you have to be a powerhouse to receive another powerhouse.
Okay.
And everywhere you have a everywhere there's a myth that entities can do things for you or somebody else outside of you can do this for you. It's a myth, it's a lie. Nobody can do things for you. People can create along with you. Entities can be a contribution if you're willing to be a gift to receive a contribution. That's a difference. That's a catch here. A lot of time we say,
Okay.
but if you're not willing to see yourself a contribution, it's like nobody's doing a favor to anybody. Everywhere you feel that entities will come and do you a favor, it's a lie. And
Okay.
everywhere you're living that lie, you sold that lie, you believe that lie, which doesn't allow you to tap into your own capacities and create
Okay.
along with them. You destroy and uncreate it all.
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, fun, pop, all line, short, business.
भाई नीचे आएगा ना जब राइस्ती की मैंने एक बनैन बुनी है
It's all about co-creation, co-creating with whether you have to co-create with people, you have to co-create with different energies, you have to co-create with spirit world, you co-create with plant kingdom, animal kingdom, you co-create with everybody. But everywhere you thinking that everybody has to do it for you, that is taking, that is not receiving. That is the difference. That is the lie that we live with. So everywhere, whose lies and how many lies have you bought, which doesn't allow you to co-create with entities in any form? Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, right, wrong, good, bad, purple, Kanisha, present, beyond.
Thank you. The other thing is, see, when we go bad entity, now tell me one thing. If you have to go to a government and get some work done, the person sitting on the counter is pathetic. He's an asshole. You have the work. Will you go and get your work done, or you will run away? Oh my God, he's such an asshole. I can't get it done. All of you, ask yourself this question: will you co-create with that guy who's an asshole sitting on the other side, or will you run away because he's not a sweetie goody guy?
Co-create.
So why it's so different with entities? Because you don't like the how they look, how they feel. If they're there to co-create, just co-create.
So how do you co-create with entities, Suruchi?
How do you co-create with anybody, Rashi?
Talk to them.
Talk to them. What else do you do?
So if I have a particular amount I'm looking for to receive in the month of, say, February, I just simply tell them and that's it.
No. Okay, tell me one thing. You tell me, Suruchi, can you send me one box of whatever, right? Is this over, or you'll have to do something with me?
I'll talk to you, of course. And what do you mean by that?
That is what I mean. It is not placing order on Swiggy. It's not food delivery that, hey, I placed the order, now I'll sit at home, I'll not even go down. It may be that I place the order, but I'll have to take the steps down, check where is my order, what do I need to do. It's co-creation. It's not a one-way street, right? If you go to a restaurant, you order the food, the chef makes it, gets it, but you will have to place an order, you have to sit there, eat, enjoy, right? But everywhere you feel that, okay, I have said, hey, entity, come on, give me 8 lakhs today. Okay, give me 10 million today. Great. So fine, you placed an order, but what are you doing? What actions are you also taking?
Yeah, actions. That is what I meant. Actions is, of course, mandatory for everything. You.
So it's like, and the other thing is, do you trust? Because how many times you say, but you counterattack, I know I've said it, but it's not going to happen. Do you trust that, hey, I'm co-creating, this being whom I can't see is there, and I'm co-creating with that person, and ask, hey, let me know if I need to be and do something. It's a co-creation. If you have a team, you're working with somebody, you check on that person and says, hey, you're doing this, great. Do you want me to do anything else? Can I contribute in some way? Great. Okay, I'll receive that parcel there. So it's like, it's a joint thing. But somewhere if we feel that they will do everything for us, nobody can do everything for you. It's my life. You are at a driving seat, but everywhere you want to sit in the passenger seat and wait for somebody to take you around. Can you give that agenda up in life? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. Because if that is an agenda, then I will take you wherever I desire to go because I am on the driving seat. Then you'll crib that also. Why did you took the longer route? Why didn't you take the left turn? So how about sitting in your own driving seat, even with entity? Make them sit next to your passenger seat rather than giving them the driving seat. So everywhere you're waiting to give somebody else the driving seat so that you can sit in the passenger seat, so that you can crib about life, rather than taking the onus of you and co-create with everybody in the way and receive from everything. Can you destroy and uncreate at all times? A good zealot.
Yes.
Oh, right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. I see a hand raised, Leela. Is you have raised hands now, or it was earlier?
Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
I have a question. What will it take for me to know, with my capacity with entities, to co-create with them and create money with them by charging for services with entities? Maybe it's a limited way of asking. I'm trying to find the words.
What
I
if,
have
Leela, what if
super awareness.
Leela, what if you don't define it with words? What if you can just start? Because we have to start somewhere, even if it's charging. Hey, get me paying clients. I'm happy to co-facilitate with you. Get me things. I'm ready to do this. And then the other thing is, you were saying what I have to make. You have to just believe that you are a gift so that people are willing to gift you. So is the entity. It will. He'll be happy to
Yes, I
co-create
want
with
to
you.
hear.
He will be happy to, all the entities will be happy to co-create with you, because what we have a point of view, we feel, oh my God, if I'm lucky enough, people will co-create. Hey, they are lucky enough that I'm choosing to co-create with them. That is the difference. When you see yourself,
I want to say something that's going to make me sound very dumb, okay? And I'm just saying it out to
please.
just let it out of my mind. But I have all these capacities and I don't know how to bring it into this reality and use it to create a greater life for me and to contribute to the greater picture of all. But I just don't know what to do with all my capacities, because I
Okay,
can
Leela,
see,
my
I can
question
hear.
my question is, are you willing to fail? Are you willing to make a
Willing-
mess? Are you willing to fail? Are you willing to make a mess of things?
No, I failed before with entities, with my. Okay, no, I would love to change that.
Thank you. Because the thing is, if you are not willing to fail, you will live a very controlled life. Okay. And the potency that you're talking about, the capacities that you're talking about, you will not explore unless you have till the end what the result will be. And results are never the same. Right? So, what if you give yourself permission to just fail, have fun with entities? See, when you're having fun with entities, when you're having fun with friends, even you make mistake, we all laugh out. Oh, what a silly thing. Okay, what can we create from this on?
I had so much fun with the entities, and then I made so many mistakes with the entities, and I just don't know if this is what my energy is coming from, that space that I am not, it's too much power, I'm fucking it up, I am doing it all wrong.
Who told you this?
Used it.
Okay, Leela, is it your feeling or it was a projection at you? Is this your feeling?
I don't know. This is just
Thank
the
you.
energy that is there that I did. Yes.
Everything this is, all the feelings that coming up, which doesn't allow you to be aware of things around you. First, can you destroy and uncreate all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, POD, POC, all nine short buzzing. Truth. Did you perceive everything that you're so powerful, you're fucked up? If you don't know how to use your power or control your power, don't play with your power. So all the oaths, vows, fearing, felting, binding, bonding, contract you took from any lifetime, space, dimension, reality where people judged you for whatever got created with your power, and everywhere you bought it that it was your fault, everywhere you bought that lie that you don't know how to use your power, which doesn't allow you to use your power to create a greater reality for everyone involved. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, denounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times a gazillion? Right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds, and everywhere people had implanted and explanted into your universe that you are a dangerous bitch. Stay away from her. And everywhere you have given up witchcraft, magic, spirit's art, which you know from zillions of years lifetime, is now the time to access those gifts, talents, abilities that you all have with the spirit kingdom, to co-create with the spirit kingdom for a greater reality. And everything that doesn't allow, can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes, I can. I have a power with witchcraft. I'm not a practicing witch this life, but I know I have a lifetime of it.
Wrong, good, bad, POD and POC, all nine shorts, buzz and beyonds. And the question that you need to ask is like, hey, are you committed to consciousness or are you committed to unconsciousness?
It's fear. This is a distractor implant somewhere. I feel like there is a fear of this.
Yeah.
And
so is it an implant? Isn't it an implant? If you become a powerhouse, then you can't play pathetic. So you're fearful of giving up all the stage that you've created, that how powerless you are. Because a powerless person cannot co-create with entities.
Yes.
So it's now the time to give up the facade of being powerless.
Somewhere inside me, I still have that fear of being ostracized and shamed for being.
So those
That-
lifetimes are over. Those lifetimes where witchcraft was abandoned, where people used to ostracize, burn, and fire, those lifetimes are over. You are in this lifetime, this DNA and age where people go ask for reference and you get paid handsomely. So you have to.
That's what I want.
You can either have your reason and justification for not claiming owning your power, or you say, I'm done with that shit. I'm choosing to claim and own my power. It's as simple. It's like living in a 10-second increment.
What if I don't have a qualification as I should have because I still need to do all
Don't
these
be a
courses?
perfectionist. Don't be a perfectionist. Don't be a control freak. Let it go. Because that
Okay.
looking for that clarity, you will never have clarity.
Yes.
See, the thing is, if you're playing with colors, do you have a clarity? What will you do? No. Whatever colors call out, whichever form it calls out, you play and you create. So are entities. But everywhere, if you go into your head, this is the way, you're not creating, you're dictating. So everywhere you're dictating in your life, whether with entities or people, can you give up that need of dictating people up so that you can co-create with them?
I want that.
So
I truly want that. I live that already. I just have to create that choice. I have to know it inside me.
your home play for you is like, everywhere I'm being a control freak, I let go of that. Pock and pot, everything which doesn't allow me to trust. See, when we are control freak, because you are not willing to trust yourself and you're not willing to trust the universe.
No,
Control
you're
only
right.
come because the absence of trust is there. Because when I trust somebody, I don't have to control that person or the thing or the situation.
I lost my trust.
Yeah,
That's
so
the truth.
run that. Pock and pot, everything which doesn't allow me to trust my awareness.
Okay.
All the feelings which is coming in my way for trusting my awareness, run that. The moment you trust yourself, you will see magic will start co-creating itself.
Yes.
Because magic and doubt don't go together.
No. I will run it. I will repeat this call. Thank you.
Anybody else? Any question that they have about why and not they should co-create with entities? Okay, if you don't have any question, I have just one thing. Just close your eyes. And now, just tap into the spirit kingdom. And perceive how many beautiful conscious entities are there to contribute to you. Don't go into your head, just perceive. No defining, no visualizing, just perceive and ask. And all your resistance, known, unknown, which doesn't allow you to perceive, no, be receive them, play with them and create with them. Can you let it all go? Right and wrong, good and bad, fun, pop, all nice, shut, buzzing. What if you can just start today by just saying, hi, I can see you all. Thank you for being there, because they've been waiting for you to notice them and play with them. What if you can just start with a simple hi? And let's see what this dialogue of hi opens up for you. And can you say, thank you? I know I've been very hard to get through because of my own resistance. I would like to play. I invite you. I'm ready to let go everything that comes in our way to play and co-create with you. This is it, guys. There are beautiful beings out there who would like to co-create with you and contribute to you financially. But it's our choice. And if you would like to, and see, I was just doing a talk. I can't do a class. There is a separate class called Money and Entities. And if you would like a way of connecting, a meditation or a guidance or an exercise, how you to connect, that I'll be teaching you in the class, because that won't be an honoring of talk to the entity classes, right? Because there is a class to it. But any which ways, if you just do this a simple exercise also, it will open up a floodgates of awareness, of energies, of flow, and it'll get you very present. That are you willing to co-create whatever it takes? And for that, you need to trust your awareness. You need to be the power. You need to see yourself as a gift. You cannot be dependent. The only one thing, everywhere you're still being dependent, because you're dependent on your parents and you're dependent on your husband, and everywhere you're finding people or entities where you can be dependent on them. Can you let go the need to be dependent and start being independent for who you be and co-creating with them, please? For everybody, right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine shots, boys and girls. Thank you. Anything else anybody would like to say? Otherwise,
Can I ask something, Ruchi?
what is this, Bhavishya? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I just want to know, see, all my questions were magically answered by you to her, all the doubts, all the fears, and the control freak and all. One question is like, there we have been getting the awareness of there are entities, there are angels, there are like so many. So, is there any difference in the angels and the entities?
Yes, they are different. How we all are different, right? We all are
Right,
different. Our personas are different. Our talents are different. Our gifts are different. So if we
right.
don't go into the definition and create, which will create greater for everybody, it can be anyone. So when we
Yes.
go into too much of a definition itself is a limitation.
Right. So, but
So
then why there's fear for entities and love
how many stories
and
have you
concern for
heard?
the sorry?
How many stories have you heard about them? See, we hardly know much about spirit kingdom. Okay, this is not.
Right, right.
So when we don't know, we only go through whatever rumors that you hear. For example, if you
Yes.
don't know celebrities, right? We none of us know
Right,
what their celebrity life is. But what we do, whatever we read on the Twitter, on Insta, or newspaper, we buy that and we start thinking based on that,
right.
right? Is it the truth? Maybe, may not be.
Maybe not. Yes, yes.
Right? Same thing goes with the spirit world, because nobody knows whatever people say. And if they're too convincing enough, we buy those stories. We start creating our life based on those fears, beliefs, and stories. Okay?
Right,
We never ask, hey, what am I aware of? If anything you get out of this and just one tool, what am I aware of? See what it starts showing and shifting in your universe, rather than buying what people are saying. And you have another tool, light and heavy, that you've learned in Access. Use that. If it feels
right,
like, okay. If it doesn't, what is a lie here? There is a lie, something.
right, right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Welcome. So thank you so much, guys, for coming up from different parts of the world. And I'm really grateful that we could bridge a little gap between us and the spirit world here today, because the beautiful, beautiful spirit world is waiting to contribute to us. My question is, are we willing to receive a contribution, and are we willing to be that contribution for them? It is not a one-way street, guys. Gifting and receiving happens simultaneously. So whatever we need to be and do, let's make a demand of ourselves to be the contribution for them and receive the contribution from them with ease. And everything which doesn't allow to have that as a reality can be now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, denounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times a gazillion. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. Thank you so much. Bye bye.